Dear student, how are you? I hope everybody okay. Dear student, today I will discuss with you a creative questions from chapter 5. I hope everybody enjoy. Okay, my stream is the algebraic fraction a by a square minus 4a plus 4 by a square minus 16 and 9 by a square minus a minus 12. It is my stream of these creative questions. First questions resolve into factor a square minus b minus c whole square. Second questions express the second and third fraction with common denominator. And number C, subtract the first fractions from the sum of second and third fractions. Okay, number A, resolve into factor a square minus b minus c whole square. So we find out the factor of a square minus b minus c whole square. We know when we think a minus b minus c equal b, we can write a square minus b square. We know a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it a plus b into a minus b. A minus b. So we can write it a plus b minus c and a minus b plus c. This is answer. Okay. I hope everybody understand number A. Number B, express the second and third fraction with common denominator. Okay. Second fraction's denominator is second fraction's denominator a square minus 16. So we can write it a square minus 4 square. It is the formula of a square minus b square form. So we can write it a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it a plus 4 into a minus 4. Third fractions denominator is a square minus a minus 12. So it will be middle term 3 4 12. We can write it a square minus 4a plus 3a minus 12. So we can write it a minus 4 plus 3 into a minus 4. Here common factor is a minus 4 and another factor will be a plus 3. Okay. Now we find out the LCM of second and third fractions denominator. The LCM, the required LCM will be, here common factor is a minus 4. So we can write it a minus 4. And another factor will be a plus 4 and a plus 3. A plus 4 into a plus 3. Okay, we find out LCM of these second and third fractions. Okay, now we find out, we can write a minus 4. Now a minus 4, a plus 4, a plus 3 divided second fraction's denominator. Second fraction denominator here a square minus 16. So we can write it a plus 4 into a minus 4. A plus 4 into a minus 4. Then it will be a plus 3. Okay. And a plus 3 will be multiply. We can write a plus 4 by a square minus 16 equal a plus 4 into a plus 3. A square minus 16 we can write a plus 4 into a minus 4. A plus 4 into a minus 4 into a plus 3. Okay. So we can write it a plus 4 into a plus 3 a plus 4 into a minus 4. It will be a square minus 16. we can write it a square minus 16 into a plus 3. Okay, we can write a square minus 16 into a plus 3. Okay, third expressions. LCM will be a plus 4, a minus 4 into a plus 3 divided third fractions denominator we divided, we can write a square minus a minus 4 equal a minus 4 into a plus 3. Then result will be a plus 4. A plus 4. So we can write it 9 by a square minus a minus 12 equal 9 into a plus 4 a square minus a minus 12. That means we can write a minus 4 into a plus 3 into a plus 4. So we can write it 9 into a plus 4 and a minus 4 into a plus 4. Then it will be, we can write a square minus 16. A square minus 16 and a plus 3. So we find out common factor, common denominator a square minus 16 a plus 3 and a square minus 16 a plus 3, both second and third fractions. I hope everybody understand number B. Number C. Subtract the first fractions from the sum of second and third fractions. The sum of second and third fraction, that means we can write a plus 4 by a square minus 16 plus 9 by a square minus a minus 12 minus a by a square minus 4a. Okay, sum of second and third fraction minus first fractions. Okay, so we can write it a plus 4. We know a square minus 16 again, we can write it a plus 4 into a minus 4 plus 9, and a square minus a minus 12, we can write it a minus 4 into a plus 3 minus a, আমরা যদি a common নেই, we can write a minus 4. তাহলে a plus 4 out, a out, we can write 1 by a minus 4 plus 9 by a minus 4 into a plus 3 minus 1 by a minus 4. Okay, LCM will be a minus 4 into a plus 3. When you divided a minus 4 into a plus 3 by a minus 4, and result will be a plus 3 plus a minus 9 minus a plus 3. Okay, a minus 4 a plus 3, we can write a plus 3 plus 9 minus a minus 3. Okay, now you look plus a minus out, plus a minus a out, plus 3 minus 3 out, then result will be 9 by a minus 4 into a plus 3. This is answer. I hope everybody understand these creative questions, and thank you everybody.